The sound ear. How is the sound ear pronounced?
It is pronounced ear.
Can you say ear?
Very good. The sound ear has many different spellings. These include E-A-R, E-R-E, E-E-R, I-R, I-E-R, and E-I-R. Now let's take a look at some examples of these different spellings.
Huh,
Ear,
here,
fear, interfere, ear,
dear,
ear,
regate,
irrigate, ear,
peer, eared.
weird.
The sound ear is voiced, meaning your vocal cords vibrate when producing the sound. Your tongue stays in the lower part of your mouth when pronouncing the sound ear, and your mouth changes position from a smiling position to a more relaxed position. Arrow 1 points to the vocal cords, and arrow 2 points to the tongue. This sentence contains many examples of the common English sound, ear.
As I walked to the pier, a deer appeared near me, giving me a fright. Quick recap time.
The sound ear has many different spellings and appears in many words.
It is pronounced ear and is a very common sound in the English language.
Words like hear, interfere, dear, irrigate, peer, and weird all use the sound ear.